everyone, how are you all? Welcome to the online classes of mathematics. Today our topic is Roman numerals. What are Roman numerals? Firstly, we will talk about Hindu-Arabic numbers. What are these numbers? Symbol used to represent numbers. Symbol used to represent numbers are Hindu-Arabic numbers. But a long time ago, different civilizations used different kind of symbols to represent these numerals. So our ancient Romans used different kind of symbols for writing these numerals. So they used 7 different English alphabets for representing this number. So these are our basic Roman alphabets. What are these? For 1, this 1. For 5, V. For 10, X. For 50, we will write L. For 100, C. For 500, D. And for 1000, N. So these are our basic 7 English alphabets and these are our Roman numerals. And with the help of these 7, we will write other numbers also. Our first 10 Roman numerals are 1, second one is these 2, and 3 is, 4 is, 5 is, V, 6 is PI, 7 is V double, and 8 is, 9 is X, and 10 one is X. These are our first 10 Roman numerals. Okay. How we will write other numbers? We have some rules. First rule is every symbol can be repeated maximum of 3 times. That means every symbol can be repeated maximum of 3 times. That means if we repeat this 1, 2, 3, we can't write this 4th time. Okay. So our first rule is every symbol can be repeated maximum of 3 times. And only one, this X, this C and M. These symbol can be repeated. Okay. So if we have to write 30, how we will write 30? 10 plus 10 plus 10. So X, X, X. So this is our rule to write some numbers. Okay. Our second rule is a symbol having smaller value. A symbol having smaller value. If we put symbol having smaller value before the symbol having greater value. That means see, this value is 1 and this value is 5. So if we will write like this. Symbol having smaller value is written before the symbol having greater value. This means subtraction of first symbol from the second symbol. That means this means 1 and this means 5. So subtractions of first symbol from the second symbol, that means this value is 4. Okay. Take one more example. X value is 10 plus this is again become 5 minus 1, 4. So this value is 14. Okay, this is our second rule. Now the third rule is a symbol having, if we put symbol having smaller value after the symbol having greater value, like this value is 5 and this value is 1, but the symbol having smaller value is written after the symbol having greater value. So this means our addition. So 5 plus 1, 6. Okay, so this is our third rule. So these rules are repeated again and again, and with the help of these rules we will write so many numbers. Let us take one more example. How we will write 524. First we will break this. 500 plus 20 plus 4. Again 500 plus 10 plus 10 plus 4. So 500 value is, we know, D 10 10 XX. And how we will write 4? 4 is written as 1V. So how Roman numeral for 524 is DXX1V. Okay. Let us take one more example. 2009. How we will write 2009 in Roman numerals? See, first we will break this. 2000 plus 9 and 1000 plus 1000 plus 9. So 1000 symbol is M. Because this is 2 times, we can write a symbol 2 times. MM. And 9. How we will write 9? How we will write 9? This is 10 minus 1. So for minus, we will write smaller value before the greater value. So IX. So MMIX. This is our 2009 in Roman numerals. Today our last example is, we will write 36. 30 is 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 6. Because this is 3 times and we can write a symbol 3 times. So we will write 10 X X X. And how we will write 6? 6 means